Hello, my good friends. It's Mr. C again, Mr. Campo Verde. So we're doing spelling lesson week 20. Again, you can go ahead and pause it and go ahead and copy down the graph that you see on the bottom, like the graph, auto, photo, geo, path, and font. Okay. So go ahead and copy that down and write down the parentheses like it says right. It's like their definition: self, light, earth, feel, and sound. Go ahead and write that down. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. So today what we're going to learn is some words have common Greek roots that help understand and spell the words, okay? So these are all Greek words right here. So let's start with graph. We're going to do 3 words, okay? Actually, we're going to do 3 and then some of them 2. So here goes. First one, graph. It means right. So what words can you think of that have graph inside? I'm thinking of one that when I see an athlete or like someone I like, an artist or someone, I get their autograph. Another word is when you go somewhere special and you want to take a picture, so it's a photograph. And then another word I'm thinking of is what we use in math. It's just a regular graph. Yeah. Why not? So now let's move on to auto, which means self. What words can you think of that have auto in there? I'm just going to think of 2 words right here, okay? So one of them is automatic. Another word is another word that maybe not a lot of you have heard of, but autopsy. Autopsy is like when they do an examination on the body to see the organs, or like sometimes it's when there's death, So they do an autopsy. So you can think of another word. I want you to think of one. I can't write it down. So now, let's go to photo. And that means light. So think of some words. So you know how we put graph up here? Why not just put photo right here? So go ahead and write that down, photo. Let's think of another one. Which other word? Photograph. Think of another one. This is another word that maybe not all of you have heard of, but it's photon. It's like energy and light, make radiation. But let's move on to geo now. Earth. That's what it means, Earth. So what words do you think have geo inside? Thinking of geography. Another word. Think of another word. Yeah. Geology. So now I'm going to give you another test like I did up here for auto. I want you to write down one. Think of one, okay? So now let's move on to path, which means feel. Which words? This one is, you have to have empathy. Come on. Which other word have sympathy? And then another word is sympathetic. So pretty good words right there. I'm impressed if you thought of these words. So now let's move on to fawn, which means sound. Which word do you think has fawn? I'm thinking of phonics. Yes. Which other one? What do we use every day? Telephone. Yeah. I didn't have my first telephone when I was in 11th grade. All of you have one already. Last one. Phonetics. That's what you guys are all learning. So these are all the words that you gotta write down. Again, I want you to think of another word for auto, another one for geo. So yeah, thank you. See you next time. Bye, my good friends.